Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss what you can do to fix when you are unable to share photos from Instagram to Facebook. So let's get started. As we all know that for sharing photos, you need to log in your Facebook account to Instagram, and for that you need to go to profile section, menu bar, settings, accounts, and then go to sharing to other apps. Here you need to click on Facebook in order to link your Facebook account to Instagram. But after linking, if you still are unable to share photos from Instagram to Facebook, then you must confirm that Facebook is installed in your phone. There are lots of people out there who, without installing Facebook on their phone, are trying to link Instagram and Facebook. This doesn't work. You need to install Facebook and Instagram both on your phone. Now let us share a post on Instagram and see what you can do to share it on Facebook. Click on the plus icon, go to post, select any post to share, click on next, OK. Try to toggle the Facebook option in on position. This will open up this page. Click on continue. Click on yes, finish setup. Click on done. Let us select any other photo to share. OK. Here, let us click on this Facebook option here. Here you can see I have not created any Facebook page, so I'll not be able to share this post. So if you are also seeing this message on your Instagram, then this means that you need to create a Facebook page in order to share Instagram post. So you need to keep this in mind. Without creating any Facebook page, you won't be able to share Instagram post on Facebook. If in case after installing Facebook app on your phone, if you are still unable to share photos, then log out of your Instagram account by going to the menu bar, settings, and here log out of your account. Click on it, logged out, open Instagram once again, and this time you need to log into Instagram through your Facebook account. After clicking on Facebook icon, you can connect your Facebook and Instagram account. In case if this method also doesn't work, then what you can do is log out of your Instagram account as well as Facebook account. We have seen how you can log out of your Instagram account. Let us see how you can log out of your Facebook account. Open Facebook, click on this hamburger option, scroll down to log out. First of all, log into Facebook account and then try to log into Instagram account. Once you are logged into both the accounts, open Instagram, go to the profile icon, hamburger option, settings, accounts, sharing to other app. Need to once again link your Facebook account by clicking on Facebook. If all this method doesn't work, then you need to check one last and final thing. Open Facebook, click on this hamburger option, scroll down to settings, go to app and websites, make sure apps, websites and games option is turned on your Facebook app. If it is turned off, then make it on. So these were the methods through which you can solve the issue. Thank you so much for watching.